Here's our next project for the sawmill shed. I've got some 3/8 inch wire rope, HTT 44, is that what it is? It's a bracket, it's a knockoff from a Simpson bracket, and it's basically meant to be a tension tie to hold down a wall to like a concrete footing. What's your guess? What do you think I'm up to here? Here we have turnbuckles. We have a 5/8 inch eye bolt with a nut on it. And so what do you think we're going to be doing? Stay tuned and we'll let you know. This is basically our center block, and you'll see what we're going to be doing here in a second. So there we go, that's our center support. Well, actually these bolt cutters actually worked a little bit better. We got a little bit nicer cut on it. Okay, so for this end, we've got a thimble in there, 3 cable clamps. Now I'm going to go up there and I'm going to hook this in. What you think? But I think that's going to take a lot of strain off the metal of that beam. This is our tension cables to help hold up the middle of this beam. Again, I don't know if it's absolutely necessary, but you know, it's a little bit of precaution, doesn't hurt. So we've got a tension tie at the ends, at both ends, a 5/8 inch eye bolt, and then some 3/8 inch cable comes down through this center thrust plate, I guess you'd call it, and then goes up on the other end to a similar termination, except this one has a turnbuckle so that we can tighten it up. Right now it's pretty tight, but it could be tightened more, I guess. We'll just keep an eye on it and keep measuring it, see if there's any settling. If there's some settling, then we'll tighten this up a little bit. Also have some vinyl coated wire rope, 1/8 inch by 30, and that's another project we're going to be working on. So just stand by. And then we have another cable going down through here that's not finished yet, but we have a tarp hung on that. We're going to turn this tarp around because right now it's got Woody Harrelson and his friends on it. So we're going to turn it around so we have the black side out. Now there's one of his friends right there. Hey, how you doing? Okay, so I think we've got this front tarp here on here pretty good. We went ahead and shortened it up to 10 feet tall so that the bottom just hits the ground. And we got that cable run across there, and it just stretches out real nice, and we'll cover the end up in the case of a big rainstorm or something. Still have to figure out how to secure the bottom, and I'm not really quite sure. I think maybe we'll just put some grommets in and some concrete blocks or something to hold the bottom down. So that's the sawmill. I think we're getting close to being done with our project here. Got the trolley in, the train hoist, got everything leveled out, got the beam tension support put in, and the front tarp. So that's just a matter of doing some cleanup and then maybe see if we can get a big log on here. Thanks for coming along on our sawmill journey, building our new sawmill shed. It's been quite an adventure. I think we're getting close to the end. I think our next project is going to be putting a 25-foot Douglas fir tree on this log, on this sawmill, and we'll see if we can get a cut out of it. I'm not sure, but we'll try it and we'll see what happens. So thanks for coming along on our sawmill journey. our new sawmill shed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. YouTube tells us that that's really helpful.